Scrambled eggs, the versatile and mouth-watering dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. From breakfast to brunch, or even a satisfying dinner, scrambled eggs are a crowd pleaser that never fails to impress. With just a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking techniques, you can create fluffy and creamy scrambled eggs that will have your family and friends begging for more. To start your journey to scrambled egg perfection, crack a few eggs into a bowl. Using a whisk or a fork, beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are well combined. This step is crucial in ensuring a smooth and uniform texture in your eggs. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper, allowing the flavors to infuse into every bite. For an extra touch of creaminess, consider adding a splash of milk or cream to the mixture. Now, it's time to heat up your non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add a generous knob of butter or a drizzle of oil to the pan, allowing it to melt or heat up. Once the butter is bubbling or the oil is shimmering, it's time to pour in the beaten eggs. The sizzle of the eggs hitting the pan is music to the ears of any scrambled egg lover. Allow the eggs to cook undisturbed for a minute or so until the edges start to set. This is when the magic happens. Gently stir the eggs with a spatula, pushing the cooked portions towards the center and allowing the runny parts to reach the pan. This technique ensures that every bite of your scrambled eggs is perfectly cooked and velvety smooth. Continue cooking and stirring until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly soft. Be cautious not to overcook the eggs, as they can quickly become dry and rubbery. Remember, the key to heavenly scrambled eggs is a soft and delicate texture that melts in your mouth. Now, remove the skillet from the heat, and let the residual heat finish cooking the eggs to perfection. This step is essential in avoiding any overcooking and maintaining the creamy consistency of your scrambled eggs. The anticipation builds as the flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Plate up the scrambled eggs immediately, allowing the aroma to tantalize your senses. For a finishing touch, garnish with fresh herbs such as chives or parsley, adding a burst of freshness to every bite. Take a moment to savor the satisfaction of creating your very own delicious homemade scrambled eggs. But wait, there's more. Don't be afraid to get creative and customize your scrambled eggs. Add a burst of color and flavor by incorporating diced vegetables, such as bell peppers or onions. For an indulgent twist, grate some cheese over the eggs, allowing it to melt and ooze into every crevice. And for the meat lovers out there, consider adding some cooked bacon for an extra layer of savory goodness. Let your imagination run wild, experimenting with different flavors and textures to create your own signature scrambled eggs. Whether you prefer them plain and simple or loaded with a variety of toppings, scrambled eggs are a timeless breakfast dish that will never disappoint. So, the next time you find yourself craving a delicious and satisfying meal, remember the magic of scrambled eggs. With just a few simple steps, you can transform humble eggs into a culinary masterpiece. Gather your ingredients, fire up your skillet, and let the symphony of flavors begin.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single episode of Samurai Chef's Kitchen.